Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Mwah, kisses. Today's video I'll be showing you how to install this U-PART wig that I got from Jordan Wood's company. It's very helpful, very easy, and throughout this whole video I'm just going to show you how I do that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up.
Okay, so the first step that I'm going to start with is the detangling process for this wig. It's just been laying around in my room. Haven't been used for months. So I am going to start with just combing it out as much as possible to get it like just all detangled, and yeah.
You wouldn't make love to me. Think you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No.
Okay, so now that I finished detangling the wig, it is all combed out, and now it is time to wash my hair, condition it, comb it out, all of that, detangle. This is the struggle part for real, because nobody likes washing their hair, especially black girls, because I know I don't.
They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No, you don't make me beg, make me plead, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Said you coming home intoxicated. Oh, yeah. I wanted you to raise my mind. I wanted you to raise my mind.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. All you need, but I was wrong, she was wrong. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love it was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Throw it away, throw it away.
So as you can see here, I'm just finger detangling as I work the conditioner throughout my hair. I usually like to finger detangle when I put the conditioner in, not the shampoo. So yeah, that's just a tip that I do.
Why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so honest?
Just have me, baby. All that happens to us all. Happens to us all. Like I'm with great news. Someone change.
just feel like that's the happiest song ever. Like, and if you haven't heard that song, it's called Just a Cloud Away by Pharrell Williams. Ooh, I'm tired. So right now I'm just pulling my hair back into a ponytail just so I can measure out the U part for the wig. So that's why you see me placing it on my head, just so I know where I can make that U part specifically so I won't mess it up.
You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
Straightening, 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 yeah. Straightening, 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 yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm kinda De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling the intro amazing. Put that shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on.
Now I'm going to do these twists to my entire head, just the same thing as I just did. And this is how it turned out. We're not going to look at the back, you know. Oh, it kind of looked crazy. But yeah, so that's how it turned out. And oh, I'm showing it again. Okay, I don't know why I'm showing it again, but yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just going to be pinning my hair to one side. I'm going to split it like in half, and I'm going to pin one side to the other side with bobby pins. And then I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing.
Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. You don't get shit straight up, you don't straighten it. No, I'm gonna take the shit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, jumping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starting the matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. And the bridge came white like shady. Got a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white boys, no radical. Keep you a five, don't let them take it. If they get yours, you gotta get straight. I got your up, I give them a facelift. My niggas working and spending the day shift. I got the
So right here I'm just showing you what the wig looks like on the inside and the clips, and then the straps that I attached to the back. I'm just showing you in detail because once I attach it, I'm gonna have to attach those two, and yeah.
straightening, 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 yeah. Straightening, 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 yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
Special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you won't get aggressive.
Now that I took this piece out, I'm gonna have to blow dry it all out, and then I have to flat iron it, hot comb it, you know, just to get it blended with the wig hair.
It took me one of my feet, 'cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. For me, you're like over and over. 'Cause you
up sometimes. You say it don't mean it, just wonder when it's gonna be. Am I crazy for waiting on my slide? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times. I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply. I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you showed me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine. You can either sit and be with all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying like me. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, you gon' waste your time, baby. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You gon' give me what you need. Waste your time, baby. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you wanted, I see. And I am who I am.
Alright, y'all, so just a little tip that I like to do. I like to take a little bit of edge control and lay it down on my hair just to get the fly waves. That's like the hairs, the little hairs that stick up.
Okay, so I am officially done with my hair. It turned out so cute. Oh my god. Y'all see it? Ah! It's so pretty. Do y'all see how cute this looks? Period. Period.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it.